is a very difficult Herculean task, especially also when the turbinates are enlarged, then the nose blocks, and the only option would be to give antihistamines or nasal sprays. These are temporary maneuvers or measures, and sometimes people get addicted to it, and without the drops they cannot survive. So therefore, by and large, we do not advocate instilling drops, but sneezing is troublesome, and people get terribly exhausted when persistent sneezing is there. Now, as you know, we now know that there is a sneeze switch in the nose, and when that is ablated at 14 micron depth at 4 megahertz, then we see the amazing results. This gentleman will tell us about the sneezing part of it. Before our treatment, what did he have, and after, how is he?
See, now I am 95%.
അല്ലല്ല അങ്ങനല്ല, ഈ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ തുമ്പൽ എത്ര കാലം ഉണ്ടായിന്?
Almost 5-6 years I am feeling too much.
തുമ്പൽ.
I can't get breathing properly. Nowadays I am.
ഇപ്പം മൂക്ക് ശ്വാസം ശരിക്കും പോകുന്നില്ലേ? എന്നിട്ട് പിന്നെ പണ്ടത്തെ തുമ്പലൊന്നും ഇപ്പോൾ ഇല്ലല്ലോ, കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി മാറി. So when we identify and ablate the sneeze zone in the nose, very specific, precise area, when that is ablated at 14 micron depth at 4 megahertz radio waves, this is a miracle that we get.